Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to show you how to, first of all, you be careful. I showed you how to fix it if you get off. You simply undo, you have to unthread your needle, which is a pain. But now I'm going to show you how to end a line of stitches. When we finish with this red number 6 row of stitches, we're going to have to finish it. So we go through the end, right there. We turn the fabric over. Now then, what you do is you make little tiny stitches, one on top of each other. One. You don't really want this to be seen from the other side. You're trying to hide it by sewing into the thread and then sewing into the thread again. Now then, and the second time you do that, you put your needle through the loop, pull it, and as you pull it, you're going to make a little slip knot. Now we've done that. So now that we've done that, we can clip our thread and we'll be ready for the next stitch. So that showed you how to end a line of stitches with the knot on the back of the fabric. Now this is what we have. We have the number 6 color. Oh, nuts. There we have it. Not perfect. Pretty good for looking through a camera lens. Okay. All right, that's that.